Hi, everyone. Happy Freedom Friday. Welcome to my Freedom Friday Live. It's your wealth engineer, Lynette Barnors, today. And we are going to talk about something that sounds so small, but if you truly understand it, it can change everything about how you see money, wealth, and the dew point system. Today's topic is why 55 Rand per product can change your life if you understand this. Now I know you might be thinking, 55 Rand. Lynette, come on. What can 55 Rand even do nowadays? Maybe it buys you a cappuccino and a muffin. Maybe a liter of petrol. Maybe a loaf of bread and milk. It sounds like not if it's wealth building money, right? But that's the secret, because DewPoint has taken that tiny number and turned it into something massive, something that has changed thousands of lives, including mine. So stay with me for the next few minutes, because I'm going to break it down into the simplest, most real way possible. No hype, just math, mindset, and freedom. For those who don't know me, I'm Lynette Barnors from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. For 9.5 years, I'm helping entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals build recurring income online without selling a thing, so that they can live a debt-free, stress-free life and can start working on their bucket list. I show people how to create recurring income online using a hybrid financial platform so that they can really take control of their income. Type freedom if you're watching live, or replay if you're catching this later. I'd love to welcome you. And a special welcome to my guests, the usual crowds, Belinda, Cheryl, Peter, and all the others. I trust that you will enjoy the time with me and get some insightful tips and information that can help you make better decisions. But before we talk numbers, let's make sure we understand what this 55 really is. Every DewPoint product is designed to add real value to your life, giving you protection, peace of mind, and the opportunity to build an income at the same time. Here's a quick overview of DewPoint's current range of products. You can find all the details on their website, www.dewpoint.net. But the first one is Access Wealth, a tax-free investment account with added protection. Wealth Guard is a 1 million Rand accidental death cover. Family Wealth is funeral cover for the whole family. MediGuard takes care of your primary health care benefits for everyday medical needs. Legal Guard is legal protection with access to professional advice. Auto Guru is vehicle benefits for pothole damage, flat tires, and roadside assistance. Heritage Life is life cover that protects the people you love. Motor Medic is a vehicle mechanical warranty that helps with unexpected repairs. And then DewPoint Enterprise is an all-in-one solution that includes medical, legal access, and road and home assist, giving you quick medical, legal, and emergency support whenever you need it. But here's the best part. You can either choose DewPoint Enterprise on its own or choose any one of the other DewPoint products, and you'll get the DewPoint Enterprise free services added for free. Two for the price of one. I like that one. So whether you want health cover, protection, or investment benefits. Every product gives you your access to those extra services, medical, legal access, and road home assist at no additional costs. And from each product, small monthly fee, 55 Rand per product, funds the Wealth Engineer Reward Program, which is how DewPoint rewards qualified wealth engineers for building and maintaining their channels. To qualify, you simply keep your own product active and have at least 3 active product owners on your first point. That is the people you personally connected. Because those products are paid monthly, your rewards become recurring, meaning your effort this month can continue paying you next month, and the month thereafter, and the month thereafter. Let your everyday products work for you. You are probably already using similar products. Things like medical cover, legal protection, funeral policies, or car assistance. We all have them because they protect our own families and give us peace of mind. But here's what makes DewPoint different. With DewPoint, those same kind of products don't just protect you, they can actually start working for you. Instead of being an expense that disappears every month, they become a gateway to income. Let me repeat that. Instead of being an expense that disappears every month, they become a gateway to income. With DewPoint, you can use real value-packed products backed by some of South Africa's most trusted service providers like Santam, Sanlam, Bright, Old Mutual, the whole caboodle, and others to build a recurring income. Our focus isn't on selling products. We are not asking anyone to sell insurance or convince people to buy things they don't need. We are simply sharing information about a system that allows ordinary people to earn an income through the products they've already used and trust. It's a copycat system, and if you can press play on your phone, you are ready to build your income. You get to choose the product that fits your lifestyle. Maybe it's funeral cover, healthcare, tax-free investment, or even vehicle protection. You use it like you normally would, with all its benefits and cover. But now, through the DewPoint system, that same product gives you access to recurring income month after month. So, while you are taking care of your family, your health, and your future, you are also planting a small seed, one that can grow into a strong, sustainable income stream over time. It's simple, it's smart, and it's proved that DewPoint, even everyday protection, can become your path to financial freedom. But here's what most people miss. They hear 55 Rand per product and they think, that's too small. It can't change my life. No. Wealth isn't built through big once-offs. It's built through consistent duplication of small amounts over time with discipline. That's what DewPoint has done. It's not magic, it's math, and it's brilliant. I believe it's the best and most powerful system in the world. But let's look at the math behind freedom. Let's do the quick math together. Are you ready? Say you share the DewPoint system with just 10 friends you already know. Maybe a few family members, friends, or colleagues. Each one takes just one product. 10 times 55 gives you 550 Rand every month. Pretty good, right? That already helps to cover your own product, and you are making a profit. And here's the exciting part. That 550 Rand doesn't come once. It comes every single month, over and over, as long as those products stay active. And guess what? The same applies to them. When they share the system with their own family, friends, or colleagues, they start earning too. That's when your income begins to grow and compound automatically. Now, here's the beauty of it all. Even if someone isn't interested in building an income right now, DuPont products stand strong on their own. From things like tax-free investments that help you grow your money to protection and benefit that save your money every month. These are real, valuable products that make sense with or without the business opportunity. And you know what this makes me think of? The mustard seed in the Bible. One of the smallest seeds, yet it grows into a giant tree. DuPont is the same. That 55 Rand might seem small, but it holds the power to grow into something amazing. Never underestimate small beginnings. Never laugh at 55 Rand. That's not just a number, that's your seed. That's the power of the DuPont system. It gives you choice, value, and the opportunity to build something that lasts. That's the magic of duplication. Simple, powerful, and 100% possible with DuPont. Now here's where the magic begins. Those 10 people each connect 10 people. Now you've got 100 people in your channel. We call it a distribution channel. 100 times 55 is 5,500 Rand per month. That's already a solid side income, and you will receive it every single month. And remember, you didn't personally find all 100. That's duplication working for you. Now imagine one more level, or point as we call it. Those 100 each connect 10. That's 1,000 products. Let's do the simple numbers together. Are you ready? Let's say you connect 10 people directly. That's your first point. You earn 55 Rand per product here. Now those 10 people each connect their own 10, giving you 100 on your second point. And guess what? You are still earning 55 Rand per product on that level too, on your second point. Why? Because DuPont system is designed to reward you for helping your first pointer succeed. Then, from the third point onwards, the earnings per product gradually decreases until it eventually levels out at 4%, about 1 Rand 10 cents per product. From your 8 point to infinity. And here's the magic. As your first pointers are growing, you unlock more points and earn deeper into your channel. That's how your income grows without limits. So yes, it all starts with 55 Rand, but the system behind the numbers is infinity. 1,000 times 27 Rand 50 gives you 27,500 Rand per month, plus the 550 from your first point and the 5,500 from your second point gives you 33,550. Now tell me, how many side hustles or jobs do you know that pay you 33,550 every month without you clocking in every day? That's the power of the DuPont system. But it's not automatic. You need to work at it. It doesn't happen by chance or by itself. But if you work the system will work for you. But why are people missing this? Here's why so many people never see these results. They underestimate small consistencies. They think 55 Rand isn't worth my effort. But let me remind you, this isn't a once-off 55 Rand. This is residual, monthly, unlimited income. As long as that product stays active, you earn month after month. That's leverage. That's time freedom. DewPoint flips the old system around. You do the work once, you build your channel, and the system keeps paying you for years. Duplication is your multiplier, your key to success. Let's talk about the real importance or important word here, duplication. Sure, you can do this on your own. You can get to rank 28 on your own. But let's be honest, it will take you a lot longer. If you try to build it all by yourself, it might even feel like forever. But when you teach others to do exactly what you did, that's when the system starts to grow on its own. That's the power of duplication. And it's how you turn your effort into momentum and momentum into freedom. For example, you teach 5 people to connect 5 people. That's 25 connections. Each connection is worth 55 Rand per product. That's how your 55 starts multiplying. Not because you're working harder, but because you use the system to work for you. DewPoint gives you the products, the tools, the back office, and the structure. You just bring your consistency, your belief, and your effort. That's how you build something that outlives your energy, income that doesn't stop when you stop. You need to shift your thinking. Let me ask you something. If I offered you 55 Rand every month for the rest of your life, would you take it? Most people would say, no, that's nothing. But if that 55 Rand came from 1,000 or 5,000 or even 10,000 products, now you are earning 55,000, 550,000 every month. And it all started with one decision, one person saying yes. So the question is not, does DewPoint work? The real question is, do you understand it? Because once you understand it, you can't unsee it. But let's look at my freedom journey. You know, when I first joined DewPoint, I didn't plan to be a top earner. I just needed extra income, something to make life easier. But then something happened. I watched Patrick and Pumi receive the first 3 cars through DewPoint. And in that moment, something inside me caught fire. I promised myself right there that the next car will be mine. Guess what? The second free car in DewPoint's history is mine. I didn't do that by chance. I worked towards it. I achieved it on the 17th of November 2019. It didn't happen overnight. It took work, discipline, and a decision to believe that this system could take me anywhere I wanted to go. I made another decision too. I quit all my non-money making activities. It's a big word to say. My non-money making activities. And I focused completely on sharing the DewPoint information. And I've never looked back. Today, I've been paid for 116 months in a row. That's almost 10 years of consistent, reliable income. And let me tell you, freedom tastes good. So when I tell you that 55 Rand per product can change your life, I don't mean that as a theory. I have lived it. And if it happened for me, it can happen for you too. So, as you head into your weekend, I want you to remember this. Never underestimate small beginnings. Never laugh at 55 Rand. That's not just a number, that's your seed. Every product, every person, every connection brings you closer to financial freedom. Once you understand why 55 Rand can change your life, you will never think small again. So, go out there, start sharing, start duplicating, and let the system do the heavy lifting. If you are serious about taking the next step and building your own freedom, grab my free guide, Escape the 9 to 5 Trap, my online business blueprint. You will find it at https://go.lynettebadenhorst.com. I spell my name LINNETBadenhorst.com/blueprint. And of course, join me next Friday for my Freedom Friday for another powerful session on building wealth the smart way. But before we wrap up, I want to remind you, if you're finding value in these Freedom Friday sessions, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery channel. That's where I share weekly insights, tools, and real strategies to help you escape the 9 to 5 trap and build recurring income that gives you freedom. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a session. That way, even if life gets busy, you always have access to practical, step-by-step guidance on your journey to financial independence. But, as promised, let us talk about DuPoint's Super Lucky Number 7 incentive. Currently, DuPont is running a 7,000 Rand cash incentive. How about you getting a 7,000 Rand cash this week? For 18 weeks, starting at the 9th of September, DuPont is doing a lucky draw every single week of 7,000 Rand cash. And it runs until the 4th of January 2026. By having your product paid and registering others who also pay their products in DuPont, you could earn multiple entries into each week's draws. The best part, while building entries, you are also building a reliable monthly income stream with free training and free mentorship and support. WhatsApp Lucky 7 or to 082-783-5661 or comment it on my Facebook or Instagram post and you will get all the details. Please share, like, and love and follow me on my Facebook page, and remember to visit my blog on LynetteBadenhorst.com/blogs for more of the same topics. Thank you for joining me on this Freedom Friday. Thank you for Pieter Minnar, Henry Jooste, Noka, Bongo, Nesh. Thank you for joining me and all the others as well. A warm welcome to all of you, and thank you for joining me on this Freedom Friday. I hope you are leaving today feeling inspired and ready to take action. Recurring income is your ticket to freedom, security, and flexibility. Start small, stay consistent, and watch it grow over time. Your journey to financial freedom starts with one decision today. Make that decision, take action, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Have a beautiful weekend, everyone, and remember, your freedom is waiting. You just have to understand it. Bye for now.